Right, so we're back working on Mike's MR2 again. He's bought front disc and pads, rear pads, some spark plugs, and some nice thick oil to quieten it down a bit. That can of wind stuff we'll show you in a bit.
Rear arms.
He's going to unbox it now, show you what he's actually bought. Oh yeah, and the rear arms we couldn't do when we did the diff because the rear arms that had been delivered were seized as well. Probably worse than the ones that were on the car. So we're going to unbox these now, see what he's bought.
I'm hoping that.
So make way for the new era, the young era.
He's unboxed these. These look better than the last ones. They're a lot less crispy. So hopefully these will be alright. And then he can get his tracking done.
There's a lot of hope in there. Tracking or death, one or the other.
This is the worst pass and parcel I've ever played.
I know, this is shit.
Oh, Aaron's going to take over and finish.
Literally unbearable.
Oh, here they are.
Ooh! Where's the rest of it? It's like a dinner plate.
It's all you need. Oh yeah, I didn't even measure the size what I need, but I say that looks about the right size.
Oh, did you did buy them for the right revision? This box,
Yeah.
This box was already open.
Right, Rev.
Stickers.
Sick.
Oh, green stuff.
Well,
Poverty stricken.
That'll fit, won't it?
I don't know until
Look
I
at
take
it.
off.
Look about the right
it
size.
Oh yeah, my vernier eyes work. That's the exact same as that. Disc and pads on this old piece, nice and easy. 2 14s. Oh, actually, there were 14s on the other side, but they're actually 12s on this side. Interesting.
Oh well, you've got 12 of you already.
Luckily, no, hang on a minute. Right, the top one's 12, and the bottom one's 14.
Old cars.
Decent. It's been well looked after, this one. Now, there's a professional way to do this and a non-professional way. I'm going for the non-professional way. When you take it off, hang the caliper up, but being as the hoses are ruined anyway.
And they're only tiny.
I.e. look at the state of that.
Wow.
Yeah, nice.
That might be some of the reason the brake pedal on this feels horrendous.
Yeah, and the fact that when we changed the struts, I had him to bleed the brakes with. So you can imagine.
Yeah.
Getting hypothermia. Undo the caliper carrier to get the disc off, because that's literally it.
Didn't have to do it. Do you feel like you should have undone the top one first?
I feel like the other side, which you weren't videoing, went really well. This side, I've just become a tard.
I think it's because we were just chatting and chilling. Oh, I thought you'd have them black by now. I was going to come round in a sec to show the people.
And that's it.
One disc off.
One disc off. One
fairness,
set of pads.
They weren't too bad.
No, the other side was loads worse. This face, obviously look at the state of it. When you bolt the disc on there, that's where you get warped discs, so we have to clean this face up. The other side wasn't like that at all. So we're going to clean that up, and then you won't get disc judder, which is really, really annoying, especially when you're bedding in new brakes. Not so bad on normal size ones, but when you go for bigger, they get real bad.
Well, yeah, because it exaggerates.
Yeah, literally. So we'll do that. Can I have that wire brush, Mike?
In the middle of something.
I didn't
How do you manage this stuff?
I didn't touch it.
Why'd you put it down in the grease for?
There's no grease there.
It's got grease on it.
Well, this is doing 2 jobs at once.
Get my car first. So I could have gone over.
Oh, brilliant!
The people wouldn't have to see all this stuff.
Left me with him. Right, smooth now.
See, if this was my car, these would be coming off. Because it's Mike's car, and he won't do it himself.
What? And look at what's left of the bowl.
Oh yeah, I've brought a grinder with me. I always travel with a grinder.
Always travel using grinder.
Stop by stop.
Hey?
Don't you worry.
There we go.
Before anybody says these are on the wrong way, just to prove a point, they're vented straight. so well, no, it's got camber. They're vented straight, so it doesn't matter which way they go. And it said.
And EBC did say right and left.
Yeah.
But some people get real homo about it. But the inside vents are straight. So don't mention it in the comments. Don't want to hear it.
We don't get.
Don't want to hear it.
Good. I don't want to hear
have
it.
time
Not
for
interested in your moronic opinions.
I'll screenshot every single one that comes from my phone and send it to you.
Send him loads.
Troglodytes. This is why I put the spacer on the other side first, because it just made my life easier.
Well, this side hasn't got a spacer because he's got the extra deep wheel. This on this one side.
I've got
So drag racing.
the 1-0 offset wheel on the car. Putting them back on is pretty much just the reverse of the other way.
With a bit of copper slip.
With a bit of
and
copper slip.
grease.
Again, I don't want to wear it. EBC supply copper slip with their pads. So if you say, you don't put copper slip on pads, EBC send it, so it's going on, alright? Yes, I would normally use ceramic grease, but I haven't got any here, so I don't care.
And it's supplied.
Yeah, it's literally, EBC have literally sent out with their own pads.
It has it on the packet.
Which means it's go faster copper slip.
Yeah,
Lightweight.
go faster because your brakes don't work. You'll be going faster when you hit that brake pedal. Less resistance.
As if Tyler comes round here, we've got a little bit of a problem. That's nice and free, beautiful. That is not beautiful or free. So what we need to do is wind this bad boy off. Ow, not quite like that. Oh, come on, you slag.
What?
Not you. Oh, he's gonna get a stab in the hand. There we go. There's your problem.
Rusty.
That has been on the Titanic. So we'll clean that up and get it back in.
Yeah, we're still recording.
That rubber piece in there, once upon a time, was a seal. But what happens over time is they expand and actually cause more of a bind than they prevent. So, see you later.
See you later. It's a wee part.
That is now a wee part. I would say it's stored in the bin, but it's actually stored in the grass. Get that nice and clean, and then we will grease them up. Bloody good to you, and I'm like,
Shall I call you daddy?
Pappy.
Nick calls you
And then get a nice bit of grease on there. Normal grease, not copper slip. Make sure we put this back on, because otherwise you're going to end up with a much worse problem.
Get it in the right hole.
Get it in the right hole. Ah, here we go. Ugh, something's flown on my face.
Problems. Do you feel like your informative videos going really well or quite bad at this stage?
I feel like for some reason I've become a complete tard on this side. The other side took about 10 minutes, didn't have a problem. But this is the way it goes. It's show business, baby. There we go. Look at that, look.
Freed up.
Freed up. We'll do this one just in case. That's probably a good job we did, to be fair.
It's a bit dirty.
It's a bit dotty. Bit of grease, not too much grease, because otherwise you can't push it in the hole because it creates an airlock. There we go. Right, on to the twin piston caliper for race cars. Yeah, and then to make life easy for me, I'm sticking that in there.
Wind back tool.
Caliper wind back tool, everything's done properly around here. Oh wait, hang on, nothing's done properly around here. Oh yes.
I don't see the problem with that though.
Nah, this
How
is
much
fine.
paint isn't allowed on the disc?
No paint's allowed on the disc.
So the disc.
So, did I fucking stutter?
So I've rubbed it off.
I'm sure you have.
Not for the first time today.
There we go. That is
Sit back.
get off. That is the caliper professionally wound back. There we go. Bit of
Hashtag.
genuine EBC copper slip. Put on with the packet.
I'm pretty sure it says on the packet, put it on the faces.
Apply sparingly to sliders and pins. Make sure not to contaminate brake pads, which can cause loss of braking effect. Well, we don't like him, so sandwich that in there. Oh, bollocks.
You've got it on the mating face.
Oh, I did such a neat job the other side. Why is this happening?
Emma?
Behave yourself. No, it's a stupid anti-rattle shims. There we go.
It's well in that one.
Oi, if you don't, the camera adds £10, okay?
Is that what Mike says?
How many cameras are on you?
Friends, Joey.
It's Chandler actually.
Is it?
How many cameras were on you?
I'm just gonna the boss.
I'm actually finger painting. This brush is so hard.
Doesn't surprise me one bit. Ready to die, Aaron?
It's a nice feature of working in my road.
Give me the bus.
There we go.
Yeah.
They are on. Professionally fitted pads. Don't forget your springs because these are what are going to stop that pad now sticking in. Jokes. There you go on there. Comes up on there. And what odd sized bolts back in the olds they came out, I suppose. No,
Yeah.
not done yet. Patient. There we go, and then my beautiful assistant is going to put his foot on the pedal.
Shit out of Mike. There we go.
All good?
Give it a spin.
Oh yes. Look at that, free as a bird. When the wheel's on, that'll be pucker. Well, that's it. That's how you fit disc and pads.
And that's Aaron's guide to
How to professionally
disc and pads.
fit disc and pads.
Mike's going to paint this caliper now so that it matches the other three.
Oh.
Whether he'll do a good job or not is another thing, but
So
it's going to be better than what was there.
Where's that brake?
Right, so update is
Right. So as it stands,
Mike's car is almost done. They're just doing the rear arms now. Those new arms are nice and free, lovely, they're going to be great. So because we're going to lower Mike at Mark III today for start of track car build, but I forgot lock and wheel nut tool. So I popped home.
pop being the key
Pop.
word.
Something popped, yeah.
On the way back from popping home, driving along, almighty bang, lots of white smoke, oil everywhere. So I had to phone for a tow. I'll probably insert some pictures. Tow. Mike videoed a bit of it. Mike found a piece of block in the road.
Alright, so Tyler's Mark III has had some sort of damage done to it. Gearbox or bottom end, we don't know.
Oh, no,
but
it's definitely engine plated, listen.
it's seized.
It's a big bang.
And here comes Aaron with ye old towing eye.
Get in then, you bar.
Alright, yeah, shit, let's get in. Old tipless.
So yeah, so the Mark III track car build is taking a bit of a sideways jaunt now to some sort of new engine, probably just a 1ZZ for the time being, because need to get it actually doing track days.
Oh, a little cunt just scratched my nose.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, ow.
So yeah, we're
What
going to
are
finish
you
off the
doing?
Mark II now.
You wanna
Mike's
you wanna
sorting
video
his
this?
baffle out. Right, apparently he's not sorting his out because he's bought
What?
a baffle.
I've made a mark. What?
Do what you were just doing.
Come on, Mike, what were you doing?
I was getting there, I was doing alright. I'm not even gonna do it.
What's wrong with using this?
What? I'm clamp. Oh yeah. It'll bend it.
Shut up, look, put that in there.
Now cut it.
So let's bend it, innit?
No.
No? So much
Jesus
easier.
Christ.
So much fucking easier.
Use the whole blade, mate, it's easier that way.
Huh?
Use the whole blade, it's easier.
Oh wait, it's be a slash cut at both ends.
So the Mark III is going to be, instead of getting lowered now, it's going to be getting the engine taken out to find the hole, because there's actually a piece of block. And we couldn't see the hole, just a lot of oil. But yeah, Great fun. Wasn't even being a twat. Just driving.
Good job you didn't come drag racing yesterday.
Yeah, I was going to go drag racing yesterday, but I was working, so I couldn't. I probably wouldn't have even made it if it was going to explode anyway. So yeah. All fun and games though.
For once, it's not the M3 that's blowing up.
Yeah. They're just finishing this off now.
Look at that side. That side, you can literally turn it with your hand.
Yeah?
Yeah. Thank God.
Amazing. Magic, both done.
Actually, I didn't loosen them off before I put them on the car because it was pretty tight.
Yeah.
So I put them on there just to clamp it in, sort of thing.
So Mike's gone and bought himself a baffle. It's in on the most restricted setting it can be. So start it up, Mike. See how it goes. I don't think it's made much difference. Give it a rev. Sound better. Sounds a bit raspy, yeah. Well, better than it was. Well, I've got to see what's that drive. It's like driving. It's just a drone, isn't it? A little bit quieter, probably less droney. We'll find out.
Hoping it is a drone remover.